Welcome to Cyclr, a native integration platform for meeting enterprise end-user integration needs. As an integration partner, let's dive into how to use Cyclr to help your clients automate vital tasks, such as inventory and customer management. We already include a wide range of enterprise connectors, including NetSuite, Salesforce, and Magento, so you can automate essential business processes. You can combine these with our large growing range of SaaS connectors, fitting into your client's custom business stack. Use these along with our logic tools to create automation workflows such as workflows that keep your client's CRM and ERP systems synchronized. In this case, we are ensuring that NetSuite is automatically updated when a new opportunity is created in Salesforce. Amaze your customers by keeping their centralized inventory records up to date from multiple sources. You can even automate calculations using data from previous steps. In this case, we're updating product stock levels. You can even continue your workflow to connect to and update warehousing and stock management applications. Or you could automatically send your customers their tracking details. You could automatically generate invoices when orders are placed on your client's e-commerce store. Updating CRM opportunities as orders are processed. Or keep your customers' Magento store and Salesforce CRM in sync. Using our logic and data orchestration tools to make dynamic workflows that split and continue based on incoming data. For more information, go to cyclr.com or speak to your account manager today.